Let's make a smoothie. This is some of the Fairlife protein, and then I also added some of my favorite protein powder to it, this Be Well by Kelly. I'm gonna add some frozen cherries. I'm gonna add some spinach. I'm gonna add this frozen kefir puck that I pre-froze these. So I'm gonna add that. And I'm gonna add, as always, a blender bomb. This is the peanut butter and cacao flavor. You guys, I have been begging Blender Bomb for like 2 years to give me a discount code for you guys, and they finally did. So if you shop with my link and use code GrownUpDish, you will save 20% when you order Blender Bombs. This is the way that you make yourself be full from a smoothie. It has all of the superfoods in it, so you don't have to get separate chia seeds and flax seeds and honey and nuts. Anyway, they're all in these little nuggets. You just pop it in there and blend it up. Make sure you give it a really good blend. Tis perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Anyway, really like the addition, obviously, of the blender bombs, but also that frozen kefir in here is awesome. Try this and make sure you use my code for blender bombs below.